Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make money with the Target affiliate program in 2025. So if you want the sign up link, you can just check out the link in the description. So here, first of all, come on partners.target.com. Over here, click on the option of partners on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now select the option of apply now. Now, if you don't know already, then let me explain that the Target affiliate program pays you a commission every time someone buys a product through your affiliate link. So in 2025, the program focuses heavily on the category based rates, meaning the items like the home decor, baby products, and the seasonal essentials offer higher payouts as compared to the general category. So here, in order to apply for this program, you will have to sign up on impact.com first. In order to sign up, you will have to fill out a complete form on impact.com. If you already have an account on Impact, it will be very easy for you to join the affiliate program of Target. So I will create a separate video on how you can basically join the impact.com program, but simply click on the option of join the marketplace, then sign up here with the help of your email address. After that, you will see the notice from Target, so you just have to read the details and provide certain information and submit your application. Now once your application is approved from impact.com, you will have to come here again, click on the option of partners, then click on the option of sign in and provide your login credentials in order to sign in into your account. So inside your dashboard, you will be able to get access to the products link. You can just copy those links from there, from your dashboard, and then you can just simply start using them on your YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest in order to get the traffic. So this way you will be able to start making money with Target affiliate program in 2025. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.